Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will learn the hem feature in SolidWorks Sheet Metal. The hem feature is used to fold the edge of the sheet metal part back into itself, as you see in the preview. So we will discuss each and every options available in the hem feature, like the metal inside, metal outside, and the type and the size and the other parameters required for the hem. So let's start. Go to the part file and create a new part file here. Now you need a base flange here. Go to any plane. Let's select top plane and select center rectangle. Now you can provide the dimension. Let's say 60, and this side also 60. You can choose any dimensions. Go to sheet metal and create a base flange here. Keep the default dimensions. Now select the hem. Now after selecting this feature, it asks you to select the edge where you want to create the hem. So you can select the upper or the lower edge. I'll select this one. Now you can change the option here: material inside, material outside. Let's see in the preview. This one is a material inside, means the hem is created from outside of this reference edge, and this is the material inside. The total curve part is inside this edge, and you can edit the width of the hem here. You can drag it, and even you can dimension it. Dimension this, let's say 5. You can dimension this middle part or this part for the fully defined sketch. Now the hem is fully defined. Simply click OK, and this is the one option in the hem. So if you select the closed one, it will create the hem that is folded completely flat, that is 180 with this flat, and there is no gap between the created hem and the base flange. So you can change the length of the flange here, and you can directly provide the dimension, that is value, and you can provide the bend allowance and the relief type of round, or you can select the rectangular, etc. In the next option, that is open, in the open you have to provide the length. Let's change it. This is the length. You can see the change in the length in preview, and this is the gap distance, and the same in the custom bend allowance and the relief type. So when you switch to the tear, it asks you to provide the angle, and in the tear drop hem, the range of the angle you have to provide is 180 to 270. Let's try to provide 150. Now it asks you to provide the number for the angle between 180 to 270. So let's provide 250. Now it works. So you can change the radius also. See the change in the radius in the preview. And after selecting your parameters, you can click OK. It gives you the teardrop hem. So in the last option is a rolled hem. So rolled hem is a fully rolled edge that is a circular in the shape, and it is used to use for the reinforcement applications especially. So the angle range for this is 0 to 360 degree. You can provide the any value here. See the change in the length of the hem. This is the radius. So other factors you can choose according to the material. After selecting your required values, you can click OK, and it will give your final product. You can flatten it. So these are the features available in the hem. Now let's select closed here and see one thing here. that is gap between this created hem and the base flange. This one is the closed hem. So click OK, go to this face and normal. Now let's zoom it. Now you can see the gap. But theoretically it says that the edge is folded completely flat, that is 180, and no gap is there. But why does a closed hem still shows a small gap here? So when you zoom in, this gap shows, is this a mistake? Is your model is wrong? Or the SolidWorks is doing something smart? You have to answer it. But in the practical case, the zero gap is impossible during the fold and the fabrication. So the SolidWorks provides some small gap for the practical applications. So this is the gap you can see. I'll zoom for this kind of hem, that is the first option, that is the closed hem. So that much in the hem. You can change the hem width for the each every option. You can create the hem in the other edges also, and you can change the parameter input parameters. You can change the flange length, and you can change the width also. So that much in the hem feature. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.